Introducing the Miller Turbo Light Personal Fall Limiter, the first affordable alternative to shock-absorbing lanyards. Why replace your shock-absorbing lanyard? Tripping hazards eliminated. Lifeline retracts into the housing for greater protection. Arrests free falls within inches. You'll never need a shock-absorbing lanyard again. TurboLite PFLs provide a 6-foot working capacity lifeline, which attaches directly to the harness back D-ring for superior mobility and versatility. Other features include compact and lightweight, with some models as light as 1.9 pounds. High-strength, impact-resistant nylon housing with maximum durability. The quick-activating braking system locks up within inches versus feet, eliminating the need for a worker to switch out equipment to maintain a safe fall distance. Rated for 400-pound working load, eliminating the need for an additional shock absorber. Built-in swivel prevents the lifeline from twisting. And it's available with a wide range of unit and lanyard end connectors to meet all of your specific application needs. Miller TurboLite PFLs have a direct impact on your safety concerns and to your bottom line, eliminating the need for different fall protection equipment to address changes in fall clearance. Reducing risk because workers are using the proper equipment when the fall clearance changes. Increasing productivity by keeping workers on the job longer. And being competitively priced with shock-absorbing lanyards, keeping your safety costs in line.